Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make poll with Google Forms. So to start, you can open the Google Chrome and you can click gray icon in the top right corner, and then you can select Forms, click, and appears like this. So you are just going to enter the title and enter the description, right? Alright, before you have to prepare the all materials in advance, starting from the title, description, and question, and also specify the respondents. So you can write in notes like me or just on Google Docs. So go to Google Forms, just enter the title, copy paste. Just copy paste the description to make it easier. Right. You can add a question to make a question, or you can add new page. Just click on the add section. So you can create, you can type for the respondent, and then just click on add question and enter the question for the first. Because it's falling, and I'm just going to make question the same. So you can see enter level for the option, and second option, and add another, sorry, can add another question with the same question and make the option. So after done, you're just going to select review to see the result. So the respondent just select the answer and then click submit. So you can go to settings, and you can turn on or turn off the limit, respondent limit, and then you can find responses. Just click on responses, so you can link the sheet. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And right, you can go to same and share the link to anyone. Right? Bye.